Alright, so I'm going to give you a sound test. I have a 2007.5 Aprilia Tuono with Leovince pipes on here, aftermarket pipes. It does have the MAP 2 installed on the ECU. So we're going to do a video showing how the pipes sound with just the pipes, and then I'm going to do another one and I'll tie it into the same video of the baffles being removed so you can hear that as well. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
First?
Oh yeah, we can actually do the stock pipes first. You know what, let's do that. That way we can kind of get a good comparison. So we have a 2009 Aprilia Tuono over here, and we're just going to turn this on. Alright, so that's the stock pipes on a Tuono. So now let's go over here to the Leovince pipes. So let's go ahead and turn this one on. Okay, so there's the Leovince. We're going to take the baffles out, and then I'll show you how that sounds. Alright, so now we have the baffles out. You'll notice there's just a little screw under here. The screw just went right in here on the exhaust, and it held those baffles in place. Once you take those out, they pull out pretty easy. I definitely wouldn't recommend doing this if you're just getting back from a long ride, because they will be very hot. But so they're both pulled out. You can see all the way in the pipe. Probably not very well with no light, but go ahead and turn it on and let you hear this. Alright, so that was actually my first time hearing it with the baffles out, and in my own opinion, I think it sounds better. And from what I've learned, this also gains about 2 horsepower by having those baffles removed. So I think I'm going to go ahead and keep those out for the time being. And you can let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks.